This morning we recognise the achievements of our alumni through the presentation of Your Nottingham Alumni Award. And I have great pleasure in asking Professor Paul Wilson to introduce today's winner.
Thank you, Pro-Vice-Chancellor. It gives me great pleasure to introduce the Alumni Award winner today and to highlight their amazing achievements. Each year we present Your Nottingham Alumni Awards to University of Nottingham alumni in the UK and around the world who have made outstanding contributions to their community, excelled in their field, stimulated new ideas, and shown exceptional dedication, creativity and leadership. It now gives me great pleasure to present today's Your Nottingham Alumni Award winner. Pro-Vice-Chancellor, I present to you for the Your Nottingham Alumni Award, Dr. Richard Munang. Thank you. Richard is truly passionate about the power of education, the impact it has had on him and his life, but furthermore, the ability and power that it has to impact local, national and international communities, and the potential that this creates to help solve some of the world's biggest challenges, such as climate change. Today, Richard is the United Nations Environment Programme's Deputy Regional Director and Africa Regional Climate Change Coordinator. He is responsible for driving Africa's climate resilience, working to advance capacity building and to grow stakeholder engagement. He pioneered the Africa Adaptation Gap Report series, providing localized data for policymakers to bridge climate resilience gaps. Richard also developed the first ever framework of its kind, the Ecosystems-Based Adaptation for Food Security Assembly, which mobilises state and non-state individuals for climate action across Africa. The induction mentorship tool that he developed, Innovate Volunteerism, has empowered 3 million unemployed young people of different backgrounds to be guided to create profitable enterprises through climate action. These businesses are aligned to addressing many of the Sustainable Development Goals, and the data gathered goes on to inform policy implementation and change across the African continent. Innovate Volunteerism has become the biggest ever global climate action solution space for young people. An example of the incredible impact that the programme has is in Cameroon, where young people with technical skills in developing biodigester solutions were guided to join forces with local cooperatives. As a result, they were able to make the conversion of waste into clean biogas, for this to be used for cooking, and this became a reality for thousands of families. This not only helps at ground level, but also assists in reaching one of Cameroon's nationally determined contributions under the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. And the data gathered from this has gone on to inform future policy. His dedication to environmental leadership earned him the United Nations Environment Programme Baobab Programme Innovation Award in 2016. Richard's work galvanizing climate-resistant development strategies across Africa and across the world truly showcases the university's values, particularly those of our university's values on inclusivity, ambition, and fairness.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. I would now like to call upon Dr. Richard Munang to address the congregation.
Pro Vice-Chancellor, honored guests, esteemed faculty members, proud parents, and most importantly, the graduating class of the School of Biosciences, I'm profoundly honored to share this momentous day with you all today. And I stand before you with immense gratitude and humility as I accept the Munang Alumni Award. This award is a shared achievement, a tribute to my incredible wife and my incredible daughter, who was born just 2 days before my graduation here on 11 July 2008. And to my entire family, their unwavering support has been my inspiration and my rock. My journey began in a small village in the northwestern part of Cameroon called Jinquin, where I learned early the harsh realities of life, going to school without shoes, going to bed with a stomach aching of hunger, facing crop failure and famine. But the University of Nottingham came knocking, offering me a joint chevening scholarship that gave me the opportunity to study environmental sciences and later on a PhD. This set me on a pedestal, on a path to make a substantial difference in the world, and leading me to join the United Nations Environment Program, where I continue to devise solutions today to combat the triple planetary crisis of climate change, of biodiversity, of pollution and waste. This journey wouldn't have been possible without my community. Like the saying goes, it takes a village to raise a child. Yes, it truly does. My village of Jinquin and my tribe of Com has been instrumental in my growth, and today I'm profoundly grateful to them. To you, the graduating students, my heartfelt congratulations to all of you. This moment is a culmination of your years of dedication. It is a culmination of your years of hard work and shared determination. This opportunity today is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, because through late-night study sessions and challenging research projects, you have cultivated not just an understanding of biosciences, but a dedication to the pursuit of knowledge, a dedication and the strength to persist through trials and the resilience to adapt to the obstacles that you face in the world. But today marks a pivotal moment. Yes, it is a pivotal moment in your lives, as the rhythm of academic life gives way to a sea of possibilities. As someone who has gone ahead of you, I must tell you this, that the world you are about to enter is changing rapidly. For example, the crossroads of biosciences and technology and providing unprecedented opportunities to shape our world is what we are facing today. As new tools such as artificial intelligence are increasingly used in biosciences research, your ability to adapt and grow with this technology will determine how much of a difference you will make in the world. Whether you choose to continue your studies, whether you choose to step into a career, or you choose to carve your own unique pathway, know that you now have a responsibility. Yes, it is a responsibility to use your skills. It is a responsibility to use your knowledge to contribute to the betterment of society. And I urge you to remember 3 calls to action. And the first, view the area you've studied as an area that you can undertake as a source of investments, the potential for economic growth in sustainable solutions and biosciences is immense. Second, seek to create sustainable solutions by empowering young people. They are the strength in the world today, and leveraging on their strength, we can be able to not only drive transformational development, but also complement your work. And third, cultivate purposeful passion. Passion is what I call the new currency of now. With passion, we can be able to drive action, and action is the antidote to despair. It is the antidote to frustration. And acting with what we have can motivate millions of people that can usher themselves to action. As you graduate today, let this African proverb be your marching orders that smooth seas do not make skillful sailors. You are stepping into a world of challenges, but remember that these challenges are disguised opportunities. They are your stepping stones that will shape you into better scientists, into better leaders, and to better members of the society. While it might feel daunting at times, remember that your time at this amazing and prestigious University of Nottingham has equipped you with more than just knowledge. It's equipped you with skills to think critically, to work hard, to adapt, and to learn. And these are the tools that you will leverage to strive in this changing world that we are in today. But remember that success isn't always linear. You are going to face setbacks. You are going to face rejections. You are going to face failure. But it is okay. It is part of life. It is part of growth. In Mary Oliver's words, what will you do with your one wild and precious life? Consider this question, because you, armed with knowledge, you, armed with skills, you, armed with passion, can make a significant difference in our world. As you set sail on this vast ocean of life, let the winds of change propel you forward. As you navigate the turbulent waters with courage, as you navigate these turbulent waters in the changing world with conviction, this amazing University of Nottingham has equipped you. And you now have the power to inspire. You now have the power to innovate. You now have the power to positively change the world. And if there is one thing you remember from what I've said today, let it be this: I was once like you. Congratulations.